doing Veena Srimani ma'am, I mean, sometimes nowadays, excitements and, anxieties happens. As ever you face that anxiety and how you overcome it?
Yeah, lots of
How you handle
because
that?
of that only my health. But by God's grace, I'm healthy. But anxiety. But some big shows will be there. No, by the time I used to get low BP. One
That
show.
anxiety, that how you
Yeah,
handle that?
one show in Bangalore. It's a very, very big show. Okay. Before I have waited half an hour behind, and I'm getting tense, and they invited. I'm climbing the steps, and I'm getting low BP.
Anxiety.
Okay, anxiety. No, Srivani, you have to do. This is your career. You have to prove yourself. No. I'll myself. Therapy. I'll give. No, please, God, give me strength. You keep. Please come to with me. Myself. I'll do motivated myself, and lots of. By the way, some years back, I decided with this anxiety, with this tension, how many years I'll.
Yeah, this negativity comes. How you overcome that? That's nowadays.
My hubby used to give therapies, and gradually, the experience will come. No,
Down.
So it will come down till it will come. It should.
When you had your first anxiety?
First shows, early shows of mine, the 2016, 17.
Okay, you used to get anxieties.
My heartbeat, I used to listen my heartbeat. 2-3 days, I used to, I haven't take food. I haven't sleep.
That fear.
Because I'm a very systematic person. Everything. If you call me by 3 o'clock, I'll be by 3 o'clock.
Punctuality.
Punctuality, systematic, should not come up one mistake. Live performances means it will come. No, it should not come like that. Punctuality, everything. After that. Now also.
How you control that? Giving
everything settled, but now I'll feel like that. But after that, my hubby will. If you play wrong, they will kill you. No, you're a human being. It will come. They've also understood. He used to give therapies like that. Now this 1.5 hour concert la, 1 or 2 mistakes will come. Yeah, what will happen?
And you never taken any medication?
Ammo, no.
Great.
No. You should not good for health.
There are so many musicians and singers nowadays who are going. I have met them. They have a lot of anxiety, and before going the show, they take tablets. That is a message I want you should give.
No. Should not. What will happen? What will happen to next generation also? Play wrong, play mistakes, do mistakes.
Yes.
What will? They will clap. You are a small. They will knew you are learners or you are playing. Nothing will happen. Nobody will kill you. Okay. So don't afraid for social media.
Very good.
So you have to very strong. You be very strong when you enter into social media. When you expect a name, fame, stood very strongly. Okay. Somebody commented you. Take it light. What they knew. You knew about yourself and your hard work. If you come here means I have done something. I have achieved something. The bad comments, everything should not
take your mind
and should not.
That's
use
why
medication.
You're seeing more anxieties and depressions.
Exactly. That's why should not take any medicine, any medication. Please, it will ruin your career, your health, your life.
So many things are happening nowadays. We are seeing, hearing around.
Good point.
We should talk because so many youngsters are going through. Arey, mere subscribers down ho gaye. My viewership gone down.
Exactly.
I didn't perform well.
Even big singers also, they're getting anxiety. Before 20 years, I think big singers also having because.
But they never talked about. I think
because
there was nobody talked about anxiety. This used to say a little bit.
They have to talk about this and they have to motivate next generation.
Yes,
because they only feeling anxiety because
now 6, 7 years, 8 years children are getting
because no they take videos and they'll put in the social media. Bad commenters there, trollings will be there. Yes. What will happen? They won't kill you, no?
Yes.
We won't die, no?
I think that's why you are a strong woman till now. Even you face sometimes you just keep
I
You
faced
sleep
a
at-
lot, yeah. I faced a lot.
You're looking like a don, yeah.
Exactly.
I like your body language.
Last year after Ambani, I faced a lot. One guy, literally one media guy, pulled my leg and he whatever he wanted to ruin mine.
Image.
He put in the media. Let them.
We should learn this.
I enjoyed that. Exactly, I enjoyed
This
it.
is the attitude.
Yes, I read. This is today episode is very interesting.
Then-
I have seen and I enjoyed a lot. After that, who became
This attitude, we need
exactly.
it.
So everyone should, every woman, every child should have this courage along with the talent, everything.
And I think we are successful. We should be ready that people will be there to around scold you. So enjoy that. It means we are famous.
Exactly. That's why.
If some negative comments and somebody wants you to pull you down, it means we are famous. We are doing good work.
Exactly.
That should be the attitude.
big shows and sayings, there is no audience for that famous show. There is a sound is not good, songs is not good, performance is not good. Simply they'll say, put the social media. Who cares?
Very nice. Well said, Srivani ma'am, because this is very much needed for today. And I want to give a lot of good wishes and wanted to say something for your husband because that matters a lot. Like,
He's my pillar. He's my guru.
I think that message should go all to the men's there.
Exactly.
They should have this.
I'm not telling.
We should
because of
portray-
my husband.
No, but we should portray the right
every woman
quality of a man.
Behind every woman, there should be a man. Because I always support man only. I'm not I'm a man woman because I'm not at all support some issue some things I'll women support her, but a man who has behind me, who has behind us, who will behind us, the women will achieve because certain times we will have some health issues. We will have some anger issues. We can't control by the time. One person, that husband, he supports me now. If that phrase we will cross, we will.
And the plus point in your life is you started your life after marriage, after having baby.
Exactly. My all friends who used to say like that. There is no break, Ray.
People always say, oh, you got married, you have kids, you can't do it. But you proved another way.
Exactly. Exactly.
So I must say, Venu sir, you are great, man. You are a great, I must say, a great symbol of confidence. What you can, a woman, how can be grown in a bigger level? She's the best example.
Exactly.
So I want to convey that.
Exactly. One you asked now. One day when I felt very anxiety, please we'll go to doctor. I'll have that medicine. He said one thing. I'll take it. I'll take you. But your life, your health will ruin. You decide. What will happen? Stood like that. Stand like that. Be brave like that. Obviously, I'm brave. Upon that, he will
but
give.
Anxiety kills you. I have seen people, I mean, that's not a normal thing.
Anxiety, because of anxiety, women get so many health issues.
Yes.
Hormonal imbalance.
Fear, living in a fear. That we should talk about, and you good Srivani ma'am that you talked about it. It was actually a very powerful interview, and my blood flow is more like you need a good spa and your blood flow grows. I had a very good interview with you, and I just wanted to see you more growing, where you open the academy, and I'm the first one to see her cutting the ribbon.
I love you.
Because I want my generation to learn the music. Gen Z who should know what is Veena, they should touch it.
Yes.
The touch
lot of
is
people
very
are
important.
learning. Before that, I'll open academy.
Online it's going learning. No, we should touch our instrument.
There a lack of transportation, everything.
But you should touch your instrument.
Exactly. Then only it will come.
Yes.
So before that, I'm telling to all, I'll teach. The light music I'll teach. Before that, you have to go to a Vidwan gurus and you have to learn the classical properly. Then after 4 years, I'll start academy.
It's a good message for all your youngsters, fans who follow you.
I'll teach you light music songs all.
And we want to just end up by knowing one message to yourself, which you want to give from today to yourself.
Don't stop your journey till you reach your goal. Don't let it down, dull. Don't dull. Maintain this, cherish, maintain this energy, maintain this glamour.
Yes, yes, good.
Yeah,
We should take
myself-
care of ourselves.
Yes, take care
Very
of
good.
glamour.
One message more. You have to go and work with all Bollywood stars now.
Exactly. That is wish
Yes.
that God will give.
Actors you love, like seeing their work.
Obviously.
I mean-
but I can't tell
Name-
my wish, Neha, because
But sometimes we feel like, oh, if I in the event or I'll meet him, because you're already in that
Bollywood
cinema.
means next level. No, if I enter to Bollywood,
But ek rehta, you love their work and you want to go and compliment, or they come to you.
that hero Vicky Kaushal, I shocked while he's playing Veena, because
You saw him.
he posted on the social media 5 years
in the
back.
social
He's
media.
learning Veena.
Okay.
Love him.
We should tag Katrina Kaif and we
Because,
just
please, Kaushik Garu, please, you have to continue this without any fear. If you people started learning these traditional instruments, people will follow
very
you.
good. This is very important. You saw Vicky Kaushal. Any other celebrity you saw with whom you want to compliment? From Telugu, from Tamil, Kannada, or like not? Nobody. And you want to meet somebody?
I don't any manifest it.
You don't have a fan moment in your life? Never want to have a fan moment from your childhood? Actor or actress or singer?
Have music director Ilayaraja sir and A.R. Rahman sir.
Okay, but I think you met them, no?
No.
Not met, okay.
I have said no.
Okay.
So I never go to anybody
Okay.
wantedly. I don't want to disturb them. By seeing there only, I'll like
Okay,
that.
personally you want
Personally.
to meet and talk. Okay.
And that Ashiki music director, what his name?
Singer Kumar Shanu sir is there.
Ashiki music director.
Roshan is there. Rakesh Roshan.
No. I want to, if the time will come to meet Ajay Atul sir.
Okay.
Nice, very wonderful musicians. The soul will be there in their compositions, their voices.
So that message should go that, okay, Veena Shrivani also think about us. She knows us.
Because
So they must be
legends.
they must be thinking that she's into her Veena, and I think
Legends.
the way
Nobody-
you're growing, and I think you will meet all of them, and you should collaborate with all these big singers.
Yes.
Music is one, and they're very welcoming.
Yes.
Because I have been interviewing Shankar sir, Kumar Shanu sir, Alka Yagnik ma'am. They're very welcoming.
Oh.
And you are to वैसी Saraswati माँ का.
Thank
So music they always welcome.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Veena ma'am.
thank
For
you.
giving Veena Srivani ma'am for
Are
giving
you-
wonderful
Lord,
interview.
ma'am, Veena Srivani is enough, yaar.
But I loved being sitting
Thank
with you.
you,
This
thank
is a interview because we both love talking.
Exactly.
The energy is never. I think for half an hour or 45 minutes we talked, but there was no low energy.
No, I'm not feeling this is interview.
It should not. That's
I'm
why-
sharing.
Yes, you're sharing.
Sharing, but very good things I have shared.
Yes, that's
That's,
important.
that's very
that
important.
zone should come out. That's
Instead of asking, but
Okay,
you have asked very useful content.
and it should go to the right people, because people should know how you have also come out with. You have also faced the things and you have come out.
Yes.
So people who can relate, I also get, she did this. I'm also going to do this.
Exactly.
One person life change that makes us successful, right?
Exactly.
So we can make a change.
Yes.
Right? Thank you so much. For
Thank
more
you.
updates, keep watching Trend Today. Till then, goodbye.